How to buy Ecoflow products with special discount. Let's get started. First, open this Ecoflow magic link. You will get extra $50 off for first order when you sign up email newsletter. Don't forget to copy this coupon code. If you want more discount, follow these video. Click this special offers. In this page you will see special offer when buying Ecoflow product today. In this special page you will save up to $2,596 off. You can input coupon code on the first step. Choose your payment method. Ecoflow accepts major credit card and debit card. I suggest using PayPal for quick transaction. Last, pay your Ecoflow order. Comment below if this special discount was applied successfully. See you in the next video.